Hiya! It is very nice to meet you. I've heard that you have just received this beautiful camera and I know it's extremely exciting. You want to start shooting, but before you do so, please let me explain you how to use this amazing device. Whoa! Okay, let's talk about how can you switch on the camera. You see this here? You switch it and you're done. Okay, stop it. I think they get it by now. Once you are done with that, turn it to auto mode. Turn this dial to the green A+ sign. It is important that when you start shooting, it is always in this A green plus mode. If not, you may not get the footage that you want. So how do you shoot? Well, it's pretty simple. Aim at what you want to shoot. I want to shoot you. And press this red button. It's working. But before that, what about the audio? You see, audio is the most important aspect of the story. If you cannot hear the audio, you will not hear the story. Amateurs. Just screw your mic onto the top, attach the wire into the slot here and then switch on the mic. Just make sure you turn the knob to -10 dB, because that will be the most beautiful sound. Trust me on that. Ladies and gentlemen, one last thing before we finish. This is your SD card. This thing is where all of your footage is stored. This SD card is magnificent. It has a lot of storage space. Show them the space. Come back. This is the space you have on this SD card. So put it in and do not worry. Just keep on shooting. Now you have learned. Congratulations. You are officially a specialist in how to use a camera. Good job.